The TechLift wireless mobile column lifts are a portable solution for lifting heavy vehicles with a lifting capacity of 7.5 tonnes per column and are available in sets of 4, 6 or 8, giving you a total lifting capacity of 30, 45 or 60 tonnes. The easily maneuverable design makes moving the lift into position or from bay to bay possible with one operator. The adjustable fork gives you the ability to lift a wide variety of vehicles from four-wheel drives and vans through to trucks and trailers without the need for additional fork adapters. Once switched on, the lifts will automatically synchronize and the operator will recognize the lifts, ready for operation via the LCD screen. Powered by a 24-volt battery system, the hydraulic lifting system, which can be operated from any column, lifts up with the simple push of a button. The lift smoothly lifts to a maximum height of 1700mm in just over 2 minutes. Should the load be unequally distributed, the automatic electronic leveling system ensures level lifting at all times, both during the lifting and lowering cycles. The simple hydraulic system, which is only used during the lifting cycle, gives you enough charge for 20 lifts before the need to plug into a standard 240-volt power for charging. The electromechanical safety lock operates independently from the hydraulic system, ensuring maximum safety for the operator and those around. The flexible lifting configuration feature gives you the ability to use the lifts as a single column, pairs mode, and an all columns mode. This makes easy work of removing wheels, gearboxes, and axles when used in conjunction with the support stands and trailer lifting beam. The lifts also feature a lock button to lower the lifts onto the safety locks, ensuring optimum safety. A slowdown function is also useful when there is a need to lower the lifts onto support stands. Each TechLift column is carefully commissioned before leaving the warehouse and is supplied. The TechLift column lifts fully comply to Australian standards and offer optimum value for money and are supported nationwide.